At a high-level meeting slated for Monday, the Indian Defence Ministry has decided to procure 30 Predator drones for the three defence forces, marking a significant step towards strengthening military ties with the United States. According to government sources, a high-level conference led by the Defence Secretary will discuss the case for the acquisition of these drones, costing over 20,000 crores on Monday. If the acquisition is approved at this meeting, it will be sent to the Defence Acquisition Council for final approval by the Defence Ministry and then to the Cabinet Committee on Security for final approval before the contract is signed. According to the sources, India and the US have been discussing the deal for more than 2 years and it is now in the last stages of being approved by the government. The Predator drones were first inducted into Indian Defence Services on a lease basis according to ANI. They were taken by the Indian Navy under emergency purchase powers granted by the government to the services. The Indian Navy is the lead service in this procurement case and the two services are working together to get it approved by the government. Once approved, each of the three services will receive 10 drones which will be utilized for surveillance and strike missions as needed. The Indian Navy has been flying these drones in the Indian Ocean region and the endurance of over 30 hours allows them to improve the force's domain awareness in a region where Chinese Navy warships and submarines as well as merchant vessels pass often. India is also procuring drones from Israel, which will aid them in obtaining coverage in high-altitude locations and will be outfitted with the most up-to-date surveillance technology. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.